if you want to measure heart rate on Realme 14 Pro, let's start by opening settings and now scroll all the way down for Realme Lab. Now select heart rate measurement, and we can also check how it works, the small comparison with Apple Watch Series 10. Click agree and continue, and now I'm gonna start measuring on my Apple Watch. There we go, and put the finger on the sensor, and now we have to wait around 15 seconds. So as you can see on my watch, I've got around 77, and on the Realme we've got 78, on the Apple Watch 81, and here you can check, set what was your status during the measurement. So in my case, the general, but here you can also find some other things. Click save, and here you can find the history. So as you can see, the result is not that bad. There's some kind of the small differences between Apple Watch. Of course, we talk about the resting heart rate. I'm not sure how it actually works when you start workout, but yeah, that's how we can actually do this.